So let's analyze USDHCF. I'll be starting from the monthly time frame, looking at what the chart has been doing. So from the monthly time frame, we can see that price has been falling from 2021. When I talk about 2021, I mean from here. Right, you can see that price has been falling massively, giving us a break of structures like this. This is from the monthly time frame. Price has been falling, giving us a break of structures, and here we have another break of structure on the monthly time frame. Right, this is another break of structure, and here I can also map this as another break of structure on the monthly time frame. Now I just like to read structure and see what's up. This is another break of structure on the monthly time frame. So what I'm looking at is that I'm looking at price buying up to this other block here before selling back to the downside. So that's all I can get from the monthly time frame. I'll be going straight to the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame, let's see what price has been doing here. Price gave us a break of structure here. This is the break of structure we marked on the monthly time frame, and after that we have some kind of weak rejections here, but the other block which caused the monthly time, the break of structure, is actually this, or the level is actually this. So this is like a change of character or market structure shift, and after that change of character, market structure shift, we can map this as the other block which caused that market structure shift. And so what we'll be doing is we'll be expecting price to fall down to this level, and then we'll continue buying up. So I'll go straight to the daily time frame and map structure again. On the daily time frame, we do not actually have the other block here. On the daily time frame, this is where we have the other block here. So we structure that, or we find that on the daily time frame, and I'll just fix things. So on the daily time frame, this is what we have. This is where we have the other block, and we can also notice on the daily time frame, price also gave, which means price might not necessarily go down, and on that this we can map, looking at this level. Since there's no clear area, if I'm to use my Fibonacci tells me I'm not supposed to be buying this market right now. Fibonacci says I can buy this market. I should be buying this market from here down to this level. But when I look at things from the daily time frame, that shows that this price is likely going to continue falling, right, down to that Fibonacci level. But when I look at things from the daily time frame, I'm not really supposed to be buying this market. It shows that price is likely going to break this level and come down to this level before going up. So I'm going straight to the 4 hours time frame to see what market is telling me on the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, we can see that we actually have this demand zone or other block right here, right? That's where we have the other block on the 4 hours time frame. That's where they have the other block. So price could likely react from there. Like price could likely buy from there and start going up. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be waiting for price to fall down to this level, then give me confirmation on 50 minutes, like market structure shift, and I buy this market to the upside. Now if I do not have that confirmation on 50 minutes, I'm not trading this market. Now where I would have considered as my liquidity will be this equal lows right here. We have equal lows here, and we just notice that price swept those equal lows, which will act as my liquidity. So it is possible, very very possible, that price would come down here from here and then buy up and continue going up. So I'll be waiting for price to fall on the 4 hours time frame. I'm waiting for price to fall. So I'm going to be waiting for price on the 4 hours time frame to actually come down here. Then I'll look for confirmation entry. Now should price move from here and actually break this level, then I'll look to sell down to this other block and then buy back up to the upside. So this is my setup from the for USDHCF. I'll be waiting for things to happen tomorrow in the morning. So this is USDHCF. If you trade USDHCF, this is USDHCF analysis.